Dear friends, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Good morning. Hope you are all staying safe and keeping well. I sincerely thank all of you who have subscribed to this channel and follow the channel. If you find the contents of the videos uploaded in this channel useful, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification or the bell icon so that you can be notified when a video is uploaded. Kindly share the videos with others or on the internet. In the last episode of Know Your Personality segment, in analyzing focused meditation, the head-centered prayer, suitable for head-centered Enneagram types, namely type 5, observer investigator, type 6, loyalist skeptic, and type 7, enthusiast adventurer, we spoke about the focused meditation proposed by St. Teresa of Avila and its value for head-centered Enneagram types. In this episode, we present the focused meditation proposed by St. John of the Cross and how it can help the spiritual journey of head-centered Enneagram types, namely type 5, 6, and 7. St. John of the Cross, who lived from June 24, 1542 to December 14, 1591, was a renowned mystic, Carmelite friar, Spanish poet, doctor of the church, and an ordained priest of the Carmelite order. As a poet, he holds an important position in Spanish literature. He authored a number of mystical works such as The Ascent of Mount Carmel and The Dark Night of the Soul. When celebrated St. Teresa of Avila solicited his help in the restoration of Carmelite life in its original observance of austerity, he joined her in this endeavor as a co-partner. Together they became reformers of Spanish monasticism and co-founders of the contemplative order of Discalced Carmelites. He was canonized in 1726 by Pope Benedict XIII, declared a doctor of the church by Pope Pius XI in 1926. He was given the nickname Mystical Doctor. St. John of the Cross did not give a specific method for focused meditation similar to the 5-step method of focused meditation given by St. Teresa of Avila. However, he would accept the 5-step method of focused meditation proposed by St. Teresa of Avila for beginners in spiritual life, because for St. John of the Cross, meditation or mental prayer, same as focused meditation, serves as a crucial initial practice for those seeking contemplative union with God. The primary purpose of focused meditation is to nourish the soul's determination for self-abnegation, that is, a willingness to let go self-centered desires and attachments. To achieve this, St. John of the Cross recommends the following goals, which can be achieved through the 5-step focused meditation of St. Teresa of Avila. First, imitating Christ. This can be done by reflecting on the life of Jesus, the model of perfect abnegation. By meditating on Jesus' action, we learn how to live selflessly. Second, loving knowledge of God. While abnegation is essential, the ultimate aim of focused meditation is to attain loving knowledge of God. This knowledge draws us close to Jesus and prepares us to move towards the next stage of prayer, namely contemplation. In his teaching on focused meditation, St. John of the Cross was influenced greatly by St. Teresa of Avila. The 4th step of her focused meditation, namely conversation, emphasizes the affective character of meditation by saying that meditation is a friendly conversation with God where soul expresses its love for the Lord. Though the proximate aim of focused meditation is to fix our attention on Jesus after having purified by self-abnegation and self-denial, and having learned to live selflessly. Yet, the ultimate goal is to attain the state of contemplation and through it arrive at loving knowledge of God. Thus, St. John of the Cross, building on St. Teresa's concept of meditation as loving conversation with God, makes focused meditation an introduction to contemplation. In his work, The Ascent of Mount Carmel, St. John of the Cross says that the purpose of meditation or mental discourse on divine things is to derive from them a little loving knowledge of God. This statement clearly reveals the unique tone of his meditation practice, namely the path towards deeper intimacy with God. Thus, according to St. John of the Cross, the ultimate goal of one's spiritual life is to achieve loving knowledge of God through contemplation. However, the effective preparation for the state of contemplation involves both self-denial and prayer, particularly focused meditation or mental prayer. Therefore, St. John of the Cross encourages the spiritual aspirants to practice the 5-step focused meditation of St. Teresa of Avila as the preparation for achieving loving knowledge of God and affectionate conversation with God in contemplation. In the next episode, we will speak about the focused meditation proposed by St. Catherine of Siena, another great doctor of the Roman Catholic Church. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.